Hello friends, this is Vilasni from Officers IAS Academy. So June 5 marks a very important and special day pertaining to environment. This day is the World Environment Day. But before pondering upon the significance of this day, let's think of a quote. The world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed. This is a quote by Mahatma Gandhi. And this quote serves as a reminder to help us understand that there needs to be a balance between wants and needs. When wants become an excess, it can turn out into greed, which can have damaging effects. As humans, we need to understand that we have the moral responsibility of requiring to use resources in a judicious manner. So now let's ponder upon this question. Why should we conserve the environment? There are different schools of thought to answer this. For example, there is a narrowly utilitarian approach which says that the environment and nature provides us food, shelter, clothing, fruits to eat, vegetables to eat, and therefore it is imperative to conserve the nature around us. There is also a broadly utilitarian approach which says that nature provides us with so many resources for which we cannot put a price tag upon. For example, the pleasure of walking in a garden, the shade offered by a tree, the pollination of bees which provides us fruits, the fresh oxygen that we breathe. These are things that we cannot put a price tag upon. There is also an ethical argument which says that humans, being successful species in the course of evolution, have the moral responsibility of understanding that this planet is also shared with several other plants, animals, and microorganisms, and therefore it is our moral responsibility to conserve the species around us. So now, why is the World Environment Day celebrated? So we need to understand that the roots of the World Environment Day can be traced to a conference called as the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, which took place on 5th June 1972 in a place called Stockholm in Sweden. Over here, several questions pertaining to environment were being discussed. For example, what are the challenges that different countries are facing? What measures can be taken to conserve environment in a better manner? And significantly, several milestones pertaining to efforts for environmental conservation have been achieved. Also, we should keep in mind that every year on 5th June, the World Environment Day is celebrated to remind us about the magnificent things that the nature provides to us and about the moral responsibility that we have to conserve it. So now we also need to understand that the current era in which we are living is called the 6th episode of mass extinction. The resources around us are getting depleted at a massive rate. Because of climate change events, heat waves are increasing. Polar ice caps are melting. Sea levels are rising. Submergence of many coastal lands is taking place. Worldwide, climate refugees are on the rise. Several diseases such as zoonotic diseases are increasing. There is rampant food scarcity which is being reported in several parts of the world. Water is getting dried up. We are progressing towards what is called day zero, a condition in which the existing water resources are getting depleted at a faster pace. It is also said that the Amazonian forest is reaching a tipping point, a point of no return, where conditions will never be the same. With such intense events happening around us, it is time that we acknowledge such instances and take efforts to conserve nature in a better manner. There are simple steps that you and me could do on a daily basis to make the world a better place to live in. It could start with saying no to plastics. It could start with reducing the amount of electricity we consume. We can reduce our carbon footprint. We can make sustainability a part of our everyday living. We can promote a circular economy by ensuring that we are reducing our waste consumption. Let us remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. These are things that we can do to make the world a better place to live in. So, friends, on this Environment Day, I wish you all a very happy Environment Day, and let us also keep in mind that we need to use our resources in a sustainable manner, and let us continue to remain environmentally responsible citizens by doing the bit that we can to make the earth a better place to live in. Thank you.